Alright, so the last video is just going to talk briefly about these two other groups of mammals that are not placental mammals. So let me make this very clear. We just talked about placental mammals. Now we have moved on to not placental mammals. So the first group is your monotremes, and those are mammals that lay eggs. So the examples that they give, and these are basically the only two that will do this, are your duck-billed platypus, shown here, and your echidna. I don't know if any of you guys have seen Phineas and Ferb, but they lied to you. So the platypus is not the only mammal to lay eggs. The echidna also lays eggs. Then we have your marsupials, which are mammals that carry their young in a pouch. There are several species of marsupials living today, including koalas, the opossum, which is the only one that exists in North America, and the kangaroo. And then I know some kids are doing projects on marsupials, which include the Tasmanian devil and the quokka. So that is it for your mammals. Hopefully you learned that there are many, many mammals that have many different traits, but still share at least 7. And I will see you later when we talk about biomes.